Welcome back to Quiz Booster. Are you ready to guess 50 vegetables within just 3 seconds? Easy to impossible levels. Before starting, please subscribe Quiz Booster for more excited quizzes. Let's start with easy level. Carrot. Ready for an easy one? Beet. Cabbage. It's leek. This one's super simple. Cucumber. Tomato. No challenge here, this is easy. Onion. Pumpkin. Mushroom. A very simple quiz for you. It's potato. It's corn. Okra or ladyfingers. Simple quiz time. Green beans. Now let's try the medium level. A little challenge for you. Ginger. Eggplant. Green chili. This one's a medium level challenge. It's garlic. Broccoli. Cauliflower. Not too easy, but not too hard. It's peas. Bell pepper. This one's tricky, but not impossible. Lettuce. A little challenge for you. Turmeric. Green onion. This one's slightly harder. It's kale. Drumstick. This one's tricky, but not impossible. Radish. Now let's move to the hard level. Sweet potato. This one's slightly harder. Capsicum. Curry leaves. This one's tricky, but not impossible. Ridge gourd. Turnip. This one's a bit tricky. Rosemary. It's cassava. A little challenge for you. Parsnip. Spinach. Get ready for a challenge. Celery. Butternut squash. A little harder this time. Zucchini. Now it's time for the impossible level. Bitter gourd or bitter melon. An extreme challenge. Kohlrabi. Habanero pepper. This one's nearly impossible. Artichoke. Asparagus. This is an impossible level. Bamboo shoots. Pandan leaves. Spiny gourd. This one's super tough. Chayote squash. Swiss chard. Ready for the ultimate challenge? Bok choy. Comment your score and follow us for more.